Unit 5. Activities. Polygons. Activity 1. Draw an equilateral triangle with sides of 35 millimeters. An equilateral triangle has the three sides the same length and three angles of 60 degrees. It's equilateral and equiangular. Take the ruler and make a baseline 35 millimeters. Name the endpoints A and B. Get your compass and open the compass 35 millimeters, that is, set the needle on A and the pencil on B. Make an arc radius 35 millimeters from endpoint A and another arc 35 millimeters from endpoint B. Where the two arcs intersect, you've got the top vertex of the triangle, point C. Connect the three vertices using your ruler. In an equilateral triangle, the angles are 60 degrees. If you are observant, you will see that this construction is the construction of an angle of 60. Activity 2. Draw a scaling triangle with sides of 50, 35, and 30 millimeters. A scaling triangle has all sides and angles different sizes. It doesn't really matter which one is the side you draw first. I will start with the largest one. Take your ruler and draw a baseline. I will start drawing the side AB, 50 millimeters. I will name the points. Get the compass and open the compass 35 millimeters. That is, the point of the compass should be on 0 and the lead of the compass at 3.5 centimeters. It doesn't really matter if you make the arc radius 35 from endpoint A or from endpoint B. Just make sure that once you make the arc, the other one is down from the other endpoints. I will make it from A. So this is the arc radius 35. Open your compass 30 millimeters. Set the needle on endpoints B and draw an arc. Where the two arcs intersect, you've got a point that fulfills two properties at the same time, being at a distance 35 from A and at a distance 30 from B. This is the top vertex of the triangle. Just connect them with the ruler. Name the vertex. Activity 3. Draw a square with sides of 43 millimeters. A square is a quadrilateral parallelogram. It has four sides, equal length, and opposite sides are parallel. All angles are right angles, equal to 90 degrees. Take the ruler and start making a baseline 43 millimeters. Name the endpoints A and B. Construct at point A or at point B an angle of 90 degrees using your compass. Get the compass and open the compass at any convenient radius. Put a needle on the endpoint A and draw an arc that intersects the line AB at this point. Put the point of the compass on the second one and make a second arc. I'm making the construction of an angle of 90 using the compass. Connect the point where the arcs intersect with vertex A using the ruler. Somewhere on this line we will have the vertex exactly at a distance 43 millimeters. This is something we calculate with the compass. Set the needle of the compass on A and with radius AB 43 millimeters. Draw an arc. Where this arc intersects the perpendicular A at A, you've got vertex D. How do you get vertex C, which is the missing one? You just have to draw arcs radius 43 millimeters from D and B to obtain it. So, get the compass, draw an arc from D, radius 43, take the compass and draw an arc from B. This is vertex C. Use a ruler to connect the points. A rectangle with sides of 55 and 20 millimeters. A rectangle is a quadrilateral parallelogram with two opposite sides equal and parallel and four angles of 90 degrees. We will start constructing the baseline 55 millimeters using the ruler. Name the endpoints A and B. Construct angles of 90 degrees at these two endpoints using the compass or the triangular set of squares. If you use your compass, open it any length and draw four arcs exactly with the same radius. This is the construction of an angle of 90 degrees. Connect the points where these two arcs intersect with the vertex A. Measure from point A upwards on the line at 90 degrees, 20 millimeters. Mark it out. This is vertex D of the rectangle. Use the triangular set of squares to draw a parallel line to segment AB at point D and a parallel line to segment AD at point B. This is vertex C. Name it and make little adjustments. Activity 5. Draw a rhombus with diagonals of 60 and 30 millimeters. A rhombus is a quadrilateral parallelogram that has four equal sides. Opposite angles are equal and opposite sides are parallel. It has two diagonals, a short one and a long one. They intersect in the middle of the polygon, making 4 angles of 90. So, if the diagonals are given, what we are going to do is to start making diagonal AC. Get the ruler and make a line segment 60 millimeters. Name its endpoints A and B. Construct its perpendicular bisector using the compass to find the midpoint. Open your compass more than half the length of the segment and draw 2 arcs from endpoints A and B, exactly with the same length. On this line, we will have the short diagonal BD. Connect the 2 points where the arcs intersect with a straight line. The length of the segment BD is 30 millimeters, which means that should be 15 from point M upwards and then 15 from point M downwards. Mark it off. This is point B and this is point D. The segment BD is 30 millimeters. Connect the points A, B, C, D to construct the rhombus.